What up, YouTube? This is the Young Chevy Truck YouTube channel where I plan on showing you how to build a 1984 Chevy C10 truck that just burns rubber, ain't meant to be fast, and only meant to be fun for you. And in this episode, I got a question for you guys because I can't seem to get my harmonic balancer on. I don't know if it looks a little misaligned or not. Tell me what you guys think. I don't know, like with the footage, it's going to be hard to tell, but what do you guys think? Does it look misaligned to you? Because I can't seem to get it on. Even when we put the tool on there, it started tightening everything down. It literally pulled the bolts right out and stripped the threads clean off of it. So I'm not sure what that's all about. Maybe the balancer is misaligned. I don't see any other reason why this would do what it did. So we had the whole tool hooked up right. I'm not going to sit here and show you how we had it hooked up, but I don't see how it's possible for that to be wrong. Because I mean, this threads to every last end here, of course, right? Because that's how you can adapt this kit to different, cranks, different situations. So I don't understand that. When we tried to use the bolt, it literally dug the bolt into the big fat washer. I don't know what's up with that. Then on top of that, you can see the ring from the tool, or from the bolt, I don't know which one, that dug into the harmonic balancer itself. And the threads of the crank are just fine. It's literally just the fact that for some reason this bolt being, where all the stress is, just could not hang with the pressure that it's gonna take to get this to press on. I don't know what it is. I don't know, maybe I got it on crooked, but it's really hard to like do that though. That's the thing. It's like pretty much on the money. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I take it off and put it back on, and try to, make sure it's aligned a different way or something? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. This is probably going to be a super short video, but yesterday, literally everything was not happening for me yesterday. I wanted to fix my mom's car. That was big on the list. She needed brakes and she needed help with the AC compressor. And so we tried to recharge the system. It wasn't working. No matter what we did, it just wouldn't get cool again. So I don't know what's up with that. And then we tried to, of course, put the harmonic balancer on, and that wasn't working with us either. And so it was that. And then for some reason, I don't know if it was my phone or if it was the SD card in the GoPro, did some funky junk. I mean, it's like a refurbished type, SD card that I bought off of eBay. So I mean, it might have more miles on it than I think. But I don't know what happened with it, but it just lost like the best part of the footage of yesterday, which was me trying to get the harmonic balancer on. And I don't know what happened to the footage. I don't know why it just decided to go stupid, but it did. And so I didn't have a video to post for y'all yesterday, so that was why I didn't post anything for that. And then the power went out too, so just icing on the cake. So we just had to sit in the dark, and we just, it was a long day yesterday. So please tell me what you guys think about this whole situation I got going on here. I'm not gonna do anything until I hear back from you guys, because I don't want to mess anything up. So let me know what you guys think of that whole situation, please. I would really appreciate it, because I don't really know what to do other than to take it back off and try it again. So that really was annoying yesterday. That really had me a little stressed out. So I just decided to quit and make a video about it and get it out to you guys, and hopefully you guys will know what to do better than I would. So also this Friday, well, tomorrow, I have a video coming out of me unboxing the Mishimoto radiator that I've had sitting in my house for a long time, for this thing, of course. And so I need to take the radiator out and look at it, and I figured I'd make a little unboxing video out of it, and maybe you guys would enjoy that. Just a little extra thing thrown in there for the Friday video, because of course I'm trying to get a video in Monday through Friday. So if I have to put a video in of like shenanigans with my Chevy truck, or like a Young Chevy vlog, which is something I've been working on, Young Chevy vlogs are going to be a thing for the channel. They're probably not going to be like car related, but there's just going to be like, something to show y'all who I am, and we'll talk about like different things, or like, just little things that will show you guys who I am more, you know. So I'm working on that, and that'll be, of course, like the Friday video, which is going to be put amongst the Monday through Thursday videos, which will be nothing but car stuff. So, or I don't know, I might put a Young Chevy vlog in here and there on some of the weekdays if there's nothing I can really do for the car at that, you know, point in time. I guess that's pretty much it. I guess that's pretty much all I got for y'all on this one. Like I said, please comment below and let me know what you guys think about that. I'm about to actually go and do the radiator video right now after I, you know, close up shop and everything. I'm gonna go do that video, and of course I'm gonna post the video you're watching right now tonight. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. It's 2:49. Wow, it's early in the day. I didn't even realize that. I got a lot of time to get this video out. Oh yeah, and if you're noticing the BMW there, yeah, I'm actually a big fan of that new Beamer with the X-Drive system that you can turn on and off. I think that's just really dope. I can imagine, like, you know, getting big with this stuff that I'm doing here, and I would get something like that, and that would be dope. That would be a dope daily. Come on now, all you guys hating on BMW, that would be the dopest daily driver, because you could literally put the thing in all-wheel drive and, you know, drive through the snowstorm, or you could put it in two-wheel drive in the summer and give it the old 1-2 and hang it out sideways. So that's a dope car for sure in my book. But anyway, I'm just sitting here babbling on and on because this video is like super short. Like literally the entire clip that, you know, is used to record, like the entire actual clip is 7 minutes and 22 seconds and counting, which is like nothing. Usually my videos will go like, you know, 20 minutes and then I'll have to, you know, chop them down. Or, you know, sometimes I'll even have like 40 minutes worth of footage and I'll have to chop it down. But this one is going to be like super short. But I guess that'll be easier for me, you know. I'll get something out to you guys, you know, in time for tonight. And also, yeah, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and do the radiator video. And you guys will see that on Friday. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I really appreciate you guys watching, man. I really hope that somebody out here has some input for me. Hold on. I notice every time I do this it makes me look really dark, so let me just stay out here. But always a pleasure, guys. I really hope that one of you guys have some input. Usually you guys have the best input that any gearhead could ask for, because I got many different views from many different gearheaded Chevy fans out there. So I really hope that you guys have something for me this time around also. So like I said a million times, it's always a pleasure, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the Mishimoto video tomorrow, and have a good one.